Hello everyone, I am Harshit Agarwal from Team Goku and this is our submission for the Google and Kaggle 5 days AI agent intensive vibe coding capstone project. Meet Agent Baymax, an AI powered healthcare companion for personalized wellness. Let's start with dashboard. Baymax greets the user with personalized health summary and AI generated insights. It tracks core progress, BMI calculations, hydrations and weekly health trends, giving user a complete overview of their wellness in one place. Next is the nutrition module. User can either describe their meal using text or simply upload a food image. Using Gemini multimodal capabilities, agent identifies the food, estimate calories, proteins, carbs, and fats, and then generate personalized nutritional feedback based on the user fitness goals. Instead of only displaying nutritional values, Baymax explain whether the meal supports the user objective and suggests practical improvements for the future meals. This creates a much more intelligent and personalized nutrition tracking experience. The next feature is AI Diet Planner. Using the user's age, height, weight, activity level, dietary preferences, allergies, and fitness goals, Baymax automatically generate a personalized meal plan for the entire day. Each meal includes a nutritional information, calorie estimates, and AI-generated explanation describing why the meal was selected. User can also regenerate the plan instantly or download it as a PDF for daily usages. Baymax also works as a smart hydration coach. Instead of assigning a fixed water target, it dynamically calculates personalized hydration goals based on the user profiles and activity levels. User can quickly log water intake, monitor their hydration progress, weekly analytics, maintain hydration streaks, and receives AI-generated hydration recommendation that adapts throughout the day. This encourages the healthier hydration habits with minimum manual effort. User can also chat naturally with Baymax using the user's health profile and history. Baymax delivers personalized, context-aware guidance for nutrition, meal hydration, and overall fitness. Everything is personalized through the user's health profile. User update their physical information. Baymax automatically recalculates calories requirements, protein targets, and hydration goals and other nutritional metrics. This ensures that every recommendation stays aligned with the user's current health objective. From a technical perspective, Agent Baymax combines multiple AI-powered components into a unified healthcare experience. The application is built using Next.js, React, Tailwind CSS, Supabase, Google Gemini Flashlight, and Versal AI's SDK. Gemini powers multimodal meal analysis, conversational reasoning, personalized diet plan generations, and context aware health recommendations. User authentication is securely handled through Supabase. Health data is stored securely in the database, and API keys are protected using environment variables to ensure secure deployment. Agent Baymax demonstrate how AI agents can transform traditional health tracking into personalized, intelligent, and context-aware healthcare companion. Thank you for watching my submission for the Google and Kaggle AI Agent Intensive Vibe Coding Capstone project. Thank you.